What is up, people? What is up, people? This is Abraham Walker, and we're at a Stanley Martin subdivision. This is over in Manassas Park. So they have some quick move-ins that are available on the lower level, which are ground level units. They range anywhere from $445 to $490, and then they also have some Juliennes, which are on top, which I haven't gotten into yet. So we will be back at this development to record the model homes here at a later date, but they're real busy right now. What I really came over here to show you is the farmers market. One of the things that's kind of unique about this particular development is its access to things to do. A lot of the new construction that's throughout Northern Virginia is usually not near anything you can walk to. Now there is Metro Walk, which if you walk across the bridge on Metro Walk, you can get to a little development there, but that is a quick little walk here. Let's make sure this person doesn't hit me. But as you can see, there's the farmers market over here, model homes over here. This home's going up right here as well. There's going to be a future VRE station right over here. In this middle part of this grassy area, that's going to be an 8-film or 8-screening movie theater on top with restaurants at the bottom. We have the City Hall, Manassas Park City Hall, right here at the top. We have a library over here. This is already ready for you to go. So you can move in today and then you could start experiencing the amenities immediately. Now, if you want to use the VRE, which I can show you through this fence, the VRE station for this side isn't set up yet, but there is a VRE stop just on the other side over here. Let's get you zoomed in. Yeah, there's a VRE stop right over there, already ready for you to go. So you could have a really nice commute to the city, DC, the Pentagon, Arlington, where have you, already. And the prices are under $500,000. I just helped a buyer buy a Julienne model for about $650, $670 near Whole Foods off of 28 in the Chantilly area. So again, under 500, that's one of the perks of this little community here. This farmers market, I just learned when the weather is better, they have it going Wednesdays and Saturdays. But right now it's a lower turnout because, you know, the weather is what the weather is. Speaking of the weather, it's supposed to snow later on today. I don't think that we're going to get any snow. What do you think? So we have Great Harvest Bakery. We got the honey people over there. We got some clothing people as well. Hello. So yeah, so this is right down the street from your place. We got another little bakery right there. We got some music over there. We have what appears to be a little pecan pie place. Is that a pecan pie? We got some kettle corn here. Very nice. And look at that, it's right down the street from your future home. And look, they even block off the street right here so you get a real farmers market vibe. So again, this isn't an accurate representation of what the farmers market really has going for it because of course the weather. But I wanted to show you what life will be like living over here in Manassas Park, this Stanley Martin development. You got the City Hall already. That's what I'm talking about. I love these perks of living in communities like this, right? You know, where you live isn't just about the interior of your home, it's also about the exterior. Oh, this is a cool truck right there. So, see the railroad crossing right there. So you drive across the railroad crossing, make a left into the VRE parking right now, and then there are future plans for a VRE station this side of the development. So let's just go walk straight back through. Again, if you have any questions about this development, keep in mind, come back to the channel. We will have a property tour of both models, the Tessa and the Julienne that's currently being offered. There are quick move-in properties being offered by Stanley Martin. They start in the mid-4s for the lower level units, the Tessas. You have 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom options. The 2-bedroom still comes with the same amount of square footage. It's just that it's not, one of the doors or one of the rooms isn't closed off. And there's only really 2 kitchen designs. There's a gourmet kitchen that comes with a double wall oven and a microwave with a cooktop. And then there is a more like a lower level kitchen, which comes with a microwave and a range, a push-in range. Okay, so these are bean pies. Okay, bean pies. One thing that's cool about the new construction properties that are these 2-over-2 condos, the bedrooms for the owner suites are always a nice size. You can fit a king size bed plus 2 vanities, which if you were looking at maybe like a similar price townhome, the townhouse would not be, the owner suite wouldn't be nearly as large. So that's it. So this is Manassas Park area. We're showing you one of the amenities near Stanley Martin's condo community. And come back to the channel, subscribe to the channel so that you can see the tour of this property in the future. 2 models, Tessa and Julian. There will be a link in the description to the Perfect Home Questionnaire if you're ready to start your real estate journey today. The reason why we're over here today is because I have a client who is looking at putting an offer on one of the Tessa units. And believe it or not, the Tessas that they have that are quick moving, my client can move in, so what, it's January right now, so they can move in actually in February. It's that quick. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for your support with our channel, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.